The MKTX is a powerful all-in-one solution designed to help you automate your posting, schedule tweets across multiple accounts, and even interact with target posts, all in just a few clicks. Whether you are running a personal brand, managing client page, or growing a network of niche Twitter accounts, this software will help you stay consistent, visible, and engaged 24/7. Basically, this software will help you to manage multiple accounts. You can use this account to engage with all the contents on the platform. You can manage an unlimited amount of accounts. I already put in about 700 accounts that I can use. The format of the accounts are username, pass, 2FA code, email, and passmail. You can use cookies or token if you want. After adding the accounts into the software, gonna choose the comment function. In here, you can use multiple accounts to comment a target post or target user ID. First, you're gonna choose all the accounts you want, and you're gonna head up to the general configuration. The distance between the two actions should always be at least 5 to 10 seconds to mimic human behavior, and transfer account if consecutive errors should be at least 10 times. You can choose the content available in the content management where you add a new post, add a new comment type, anything you want in here, or you can use AI to generate contents according to your suggestion. To be able to use this feature, you need an API key of ChatGPT or Google Gemini. Next, you're gonna have to enter the profile ID or the post ID in here, and you can like, retweet, or save the article or the post, and each account will be able to comment how many posts you want in here. After you have done setting up the configuration, you just have to click begin, and the software will run automatically. Everything is automated.